Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you the code for C language using if condition. This is the second part of C language. So first of all we need to open the website online GDB compiler. Online GDB compiler. Open the first link worldwideweb.onlinegdb.com. Add a library. Hashtag include stdio.h, and in this code we are declaring a variable. You can declare any variable you want. I'm declaring j. Then we are going to write int main, then open the curly bracket, write printf, enter the marks of student. We are just making a program which will show us that student is fail or pass. Okay, so put a semicolon as it is important. We are giving a scanf which is scanning value, which will take the input in a compiling program, and we are taking %d for data. D stands for data, and we are just storing it in the value of and j. Put a semicolon after that, and here our code begins of if j if j is lesser than 60. If j is lesser than 60, what we will do? Printer that student is failed. We will write here failed. Put a semicolon, important thing. Then write if j if j is greater than 60, then what we will do? Printf that student is pass. Put a semicolon after that bracket. Done. You're done with the code. This is the code. Let me press run button. Take the language. We're taking C. It is taking input. You can write like 14. He is failed. And if we just write like he got 80 marks. Okay. It have taken it before that. It will work then also. Let me run it again. The student got 80 marks. He is pass. Okay, so we are done with the code. Thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe our channel. Bye.